Okay. Me not like the girl that me stay so. Me not love her. Me not like her none at all. Me not love money too much. I'm to the broke man then. The broke man them deserve pumps too. You know it hurt me every time when them come talk about them one man with money. Broke man them deserve pumps too like me. Me deserve pumps too. Not becoming a rich. What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs and I'm here with another reaction video, people. Like, bam, Shenseea drop a tricks or treat. It just dropped. Me don't know what. I don't think you know that. I'm not sure if I know the song. I'm not sure if I know the audio, but I don't know somebody have to react to it. People, thank you all for the love and support and our show me. Thanks for the subscribing. Thanks for the comment them. Thanks for everything. As usual, I'm telling you, as the song dropped, me I react, you know. Be there on the 9 to 5 right now. As usual. But it dropped. I'm going to watch Shenseea deal with people like the video. Subscribe for the new, please, and watch it. When I watch the video, you click on the video, you know you love the video. Just like the video, man. Alright, see it there, alright, forward, you can see what I go on. Wow. Okay. Hey. Oh. Hold on, wait. I have a matter for addressing her. You see the brother name Yardman Ethan? Tyrekevlogs talk to you, brother. You gonna leave my woman alone here. Me see some video make, boy. And you post by your status, boy. You Shenseea right like your ass. I think me never see. Me don't talk about that. Got you? Okay.
Yeah, check. Man, I say me sweet like a me do trick or treat. Me tell him fi take a taste. Him say me a rotten teeth.
Oh my gosh. Wait, Shenseea. Man, I say you're sweet. Man, what? Is a Jamaican man I say this, Shenseea? Like I trick a what? Shenyang? Baby girl? Me drink something more. Look at this sauce. I'm not say that's sweet. Got you?
Culture me need. Me not in a nothing cheap. Walk in a brand new Louis V for me face.
Okay.
Me love. Them thing ya me love. Yeah, money.
Hold on. Go back a little bit. What go on, baby?
Hold
on. Ready?
Trick or treat. Me tell him fi take a taste.
Yeah.
Me a rotten teeth. Chew me little, chew me neat. Me not in a nothing cheap.
Alright. So I want to spice up for a song about Chanel and people that hate her for her. But it's like you trend for release song for flex for the broke people them, flex for the broke girl them star. Not flex for the whole broke people them now. Not flex for me too. You know, like, got you, me like it here though. Yeah. Yeah. Nah, the money in Shenseea, I think me can mine you, babes. I don't think me can mine her at all, people. When she say this, I them think I'm in love. They say me a money she love, dog. I think me can mine her, no, dog. I don't feel me can mine Shenseea, dog. I know I'm broke, I'm hungry. I have make sure see my sex lips them though. I know I'm broke and hungry, I think me can manage Shenseea. Got you, yeah, man. Yeah.
No one no money chop under me skin like a cellulite.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm gonna take your penny if I not check it alright.
Yeah.
Woulda never fuck it.
Hold on. She not gonna take your penny if I check it alright. You know your lyrics them? Me say she not gonna take your BBC. Is it me I say? She you don't understand the lyrics so she a try put forth to, you not even listen, you listen again because she jumping at it, you know.
I'm gonna take your penny if I not check it alright. Woulda never fuck it to hold me pussy tight. Role model so I made them wanna be like yeah, me love.
Why go on Keisha? Don't hit my damn car, girl. Anyways, sure, she distract me. She said she could have never F because or something whatever tight. Wow. Got you though. Okay.
Money me love.
Me not like the girl that me stay so. Me not love her. Me not like her none at all. Me not love money too much. I'm to the broke man then. The broke man them deserve pumps too. You know it hurt me every time when them come talk about them one man with money. Broke man them deserve pumps too like me. Me deserve pumps too. Not becoming a rich. They are talk too much, you know.
Thing me love. When me travel, fresh like a ribato.
Yeah.
Pass in a chest, me a walk with the chapel.
Wow, me like what you all. I like those. We like those. Go back a little bit.
With the chapel.
Wow, we like those.
Hey, me no green
We
like
like those. We love those, Shen baby. Me like how she keep her body though. You see me I say? Me like it. Me love it. But a long time I put my video for dropping a Shenseea. Why you pre Shen baby? Come in, got you.
Them see me from afar like binacle.
Yeah.
Thing me love. Them thing me love. Yeah, money me love.
Me not like it same here. Still me not interested. Hold on, wait. You love money. Wait. One of a kind. If you see nobody else in that bag ya people. Anybody else see in that bag ya. You like man with money? Me have axe. Buckle it there, Shenseea. I have axe. You feel like. Got you!
She's got cheddar. Thing me love.
Next verse.
Girl up your man me love. Say me fitting better like a hand in a glove. Me can't stop.
Like hand in a gloves. Voila, more here the lyrics here, no?
Me can't stop flying.
Hold on.
And baby girl up your man me love.
Yeah.
Say me fitting better like a hand in a glove. Me can't.
That means that she have the grip with the mic. Dude, she had, what me couldn't love some this for the girl them some man. She tell us that she have the grip in the youth. You see me? She said the man said she fit better like a hand in her gloves. That mean it tight, you know, brother. Shenseea? I didn't know. I go on, so I didn't know said the tight. I didn't know. Got you.
Can't stop fly like semi a dove.
Woo!
Ice them a drip like a semi a fudge.
Okay.
Them thing me love. Them thing me love.
Yeah, man, money you love. Money you love. And that's why you man eat and now go get her, I bet. You broke, I bet. Boy, why me I go like a little pitness, sir? But that's why you not gonna get her. You man eat her, that's why you not gonna get Shenseea because you not no money. Why me I know, blood clam me I talk about. See, I get myself in trouble, you know. And then I go put this on YouTube and then I go see it. And then I go expose me, I say, me I like a pitney for it. I don't care. Got you.
Money me love. Got cheese, got cheddar. Thing me love. That me love, yeah. Tell you say you that me love.
Yeah.
Straight money. Tell you say you that me love.
Let me see if I have the money in my wallet. Cause them woman you know, different measures no depend on. So I have $10, $20. See there? $20. This is how much I Jamaica. 2,000 odd. $5, $25 in my name. Now my wallet. I think I'm my name. I'm my name. I'm general. I have $25 right. I don't like work with cash, that's why. You see me I say, get this and just have it in my wallet. I don't work with cash. I don't like cash. We use card. Got you though. I have money, Shenseea. I have American US dollars. You know like me now? Got you. Dollar sign, my pretty dollar sign. Cartel son. Dollar sign. You know that song there? Anyway, got you. Song done? Song done, star. Jano. I'm talking about the reactions, so people want to think of the song. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know if you don't like the reaction. Let me know if you don't like the on time with the thing. I hope I never ace that reaction in a way become the day of work or whatever. I don't know things said. But you know, so we don't really, you see me? We do the reaction because we want the reaction. But I jump back though. I try my friend smoking our car. I think. Anyways, I can see how I go and first of the video. Love. Me know Shenseea, it's alright. Alright, Shenseea. Wow. Video done and ad come bite me right, yes, dog. People, it's been a boy Tyrekejt. Thanks for checking out my video. Make sure you like the video, people. Like it, subscribe, comment for more videos from your boy Tyrekejt. I'm gone. Big up on yourself.
I'm there, edit what I got. I know the position are awkward, but I don't know work shirt and thing. I don't know things. So, I'm telling you, say, yo, so I'm quick with that video reaction, brother. I'm hope I drop it at the right time. I find time to make that video in a chat. People, make sure I like the reaction and I subscribe to the channel. Yo. You see me, I say. Remember, I know we got LA next month. I'm trying to talk to you after every video for look out for the LA vlog them people. We got LA next month. Me and my girl, no, I'm not going to my girl, I'm not going by myself. It's pull out of the earth. You see me? Yo, and just subscribe to the channel and support the movement. Remember, we are trying to make Jamaica. I have some things planned just to reach a certain amount of subscribers that so we can stop the 9 to 5 job. Yo, you know what? Subscribe to the channel. I should go right now. Bye.